You get a little thing right here. I see you leaning out, Rossi. I see you, Rossi. Oh, shit, I'm cramping. Ugh. On you.
Hey guys, we here. There she go. I missed her. It's been so long, man. It's been about 5 freaking weeks. No, it's been almost a month. Oh, she dirty too. It's been almost a month, man. That 200 tire looking good on this thing though. Ooh, let's see, they got the gold nuts. Ooh, they got the gold nuts on there. Got the gold nuts, man. Yes, sir. Dang, she need a bath though. So I'm finally about to replace this too when I get back home. But anyway, yeah, man. This 200 tire is a major difference from what I had on there. I'm curious to see how it's gonna ride, but I hope I don't be scrubbing right here with this hitting that's pretty low. But it's the same width, so it's a 55 tall, same as my other one, but I gotta get a stamp cap too.
There he is.
Yes, sir.
What it is?
Oh, you want to say what's up to the camera? A YouTube channel. I got a YouTube channel.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
What's going on,
famous.
I do the fist bump.
Okay,
yeah, that's
dude,
me.
I was about to.
Yeah, I do that. I do that. Of course, I know there was no back stem on the stem cover.
Oh, on the rear axle sliders, on the rear.
No, on the tire. The
little cover.
Yeah, it's not on. Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, I get you one.
Okay. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, you're talking about a little air.
Yeah, that thing. Yeah, just a little cover.
Yeah, the valve cover.
Valve cover. Thank
This
you.
is a black one, plastic.
Yeah, just
okay.
black plastic.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Man, that back tire looks completely changes the way the bike looks.
Oh, wait until you ride it.
Yeah.
Wait until you ride it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 570 even.
All right.
It was all labor because you brought everything else in.
And also, I forgot to show y'all the radiator guards on this thing too. That's how it looks, so we won't have any more of those freaking rocks or anything. It's like something still can go through there, honestly. Honest with you, but yeah, Cox racing guard. There we go. Let me get dressed, get it home, and we'll catch y'all in this video. Y'all saw the last video, man. That's why we got the S1000 back and in action, man. Gosh, Leo, I'm so excited. But so this will be my first time riding in about 3 weeks, almost a month. So this will be my first time riding with the new 200 size tire on the back, as y'all can see right there. Previously on the bike, like I said, it was a 180, guys, so way underneath what stock is 200. A lot of people say you can run 190, but they had a 180 on there. So we got a proper 200 on there now. I could run a 190, but I want to see what the 200 is like first. So this will be my first time riding it. Really, I rode it home from the dealership, but that was quick right up the street. I didn't really play with it. Go ahead and get this thing started. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, we back. We back, baby. I'm actually going to meet a group of my guys, Spikes, Dez, Lou, and I think they bring a few other guys with them too. So we're going to hit some back roads, of course, where my last accident happened that lost the radiator. We're going to hit back up there. So I got to take it nice and easy on this brand new tire though, man. I got to break it in. I think breaking is about 100 miles. So we're going to take it nice and easy today. I might kind of stay in the middle of the pack or at the back. But yeah, man, so let's see what this thing is like. All right, guys, so my ride now, and I can instantly tell you, just sitting on the bike, it definitely feels higher in the back end, which I was kind of expecting, but I wasn't, because the tire I had was at 180/55. This is 255, so the height is the same. It's just the width that's different. So, but it does definitely feel like more leaned over, and definitely the steering is a little slower. When I say steering, like side to side, that's because I have more tire now, more contact patch, so I can definitely tell that it's a little slower on the steering. But if you know, that's going to give me more traction when I'm in like the corners and stuff like that, which is what I like to do, you know, be in the corners and leaning around. So I think I can feel the weight of the tire as well. The back end definitely feels heavier for sure. And not saying that's a bad thing, you know, it's not a bad thing, it's a good thing for sure. But when I do like this, yeah, it's not as quick as it was. It's still pretty quick, you know, but it's not as quick as it was with that 180 back there, because that 180 was super small, you know. Radiator, everything seems to be working fine with that. It's not overheating. I let it heat cycle yesterday, and it got up to about 214, and then it kicked down and went back off. So that seems to be working pretty good, which is a good sign. That's what we paid all this money for. You get a little thing right here. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's still fast. I will tell you, I've been getting it a few hits right now out of first gear. The front end definitely is staying down way more, a lot more. So that's good. We got more meat back there, baby, so she can handle it. And also with my levers, I love the levers, guys. These feel so much better than stock. I don't know, I just get more of a feel from these. Like the level one, the stock one felt kind of soft. These feel more firm and like grippy. So not just a feel, but like they control the bike better. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Where the hell Malik go? Hey, where Malik? Come over here. We got a GSXR 1000, Dez. So we got R3. His R3, I like that black and red on his too. Yeah, it's dope. So we got Lou on his R3 at the GSXR 1000, and then we got Dez on the FZ6. All right, guys, so we out back road right now. Burning some bubble. Drop down the third. Yeah, there you go. I see you leading out, Rossi. I see you, Rossi. I see you, Rossi. No, you straight. I'm on your left. Yeah, okay, I see you, baby. Hit that hoe. I see you, boy. I see you. Hey, Lou, you still there? Okay, Spice, get that shit, boy. Yeah. Okay, look at little Rossi. Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, it's all good. That's it right in the middle of the road too, bro. I like this bitch. It is a blind turn though. Cars come right there, that stop sign. Go.
Skywalking on these haters.
Yeah, he came up on me. Yeah. Man, I can't beat nobody, bro. I'm too fucking fat, man. Catch you, like, what you mean? Like, right now? Yeah. On you. Yeah. Oh, shit, I'm cramping. Ugh. No, I'm cramping. Yeah, fat ass. Yeah, it's been a while, bro. Wiggly right there, back there in the hole. I think we in Anna. new tire definitely feel good in the turns. I definitely still got a lot more tire I can use, like about a 1/4 inch. So so far I like the 200 on the back end, man. It feels pretty good. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.